Welcome to English Lessons. Today's lesson, 30 words you might be pronouncing incorrectly. 1. Do not say colonel. It is pronounced colonel. Colonel. My brother is a colonel in the army. 2. Do not say quay. It is pronounced key. Key. There are a number of boats on the quay. 3. Do not say comfortable. It is pronounced comfortable. Comfortable. Are you comfortable in your bed? She asked the child. 4. Do not say February. It is pronounced February. February. My brother arrives in February. 5. Do not say Wednesday. It is pronounced Wednesday. Wednesday. Tom's brother goes to the store next Wednesday. 6. Do not say plumber. It is pronounced plumber. Plumber. Mark is an experienced plumber. 7. Do not say valet. It is pronounced valet. Valet. She is a valet at the hotel. 8. Do not say Greenwich. It is pronounced Greenwich. Greenwich. The Greenwich is also called Universal Time. 9. Do not say bomb. It is pronounced bomb. Bomb. The SWAT team had defused the bomb. 10. Do not say raspberry. It is pronounced raspberry. Raspberry. Raspberries are red, and red is my favorite color. 11. Do not say sour. It is pronounced sour. Sour. The soup will go sour after a day. 12. Do not say jewelry. It is pronounced jewelry. Jewelry. The man just bought some jewelry. 13. Do not say expect. It is pronounced expect. Expect. I expect him to come. 14. Do not say debt. It is pronounced debt. Debt. I am yet to pay off my debt. 15. Do not say aisle. It is pronounced aisle. Aisle. Her husband walked her down the aisle. 16. Do not say era. It is pronounced era. Era. The era of tyranny is gone. 17. Do not say jury. It is pronounced jury. Jury. The jury are recessed for a half hour. 18. Do not say lettuce. It is pronounced lettuce. Lettuce. The lettuce from that store is fresh. 19. Do not say theory. It is pronounced theory. Theory. Daniel's theory could be popular in physics. 20. Do not say restaurant. It is pronounced restaurant. Restaurant. That restaurant serves Thai food. 21. Do not say genre. It is pronounced genre. Genre. I like this music's genre. 22. Do not say data. It is pronounced data. Data. The work data should be processed over the weekend. 23. Do not say dessert. It is pronounced dessert. Dessert. It is not wise to have dessert before the main course. 24. Do not say secretary. It is pronounced secretary. Secretary. My boss needs a secretary. 25. Do not say bury. It is pronounced bury. Bury. Her grandfather was buried last week. 26. Do not say police. It is pronounced police. Police. Are you a police officer? I asked. 27. Do not say situation. It is pronounced situation. Situation. This is a good situation. 28. Do not say said. It is pronounced said. Said. Go to your room, I said to the child. Do not say rural. It is pronounced rural. Rural. The rural areas are densely populated. 30. Do not say fortuitous. It is pronounced fortuitous. Fortuitous. How fortuitous, she exclaimed in delight. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe for more. Share this video to other English learners. Thank you for watching.